Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Georgia on Lake Lanier. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're going to be going through one of the best-selling cruisers here on Lake Lanier. This is the 320 Sundancer with plenty of room for exterior entertainment, interior overnights for up to 4. Back here in the back you'll have a nice big swim platform, hydraulic swim step, and a big swing back. Depending on where the sun is facing, you can sit lounging sideways, sit lounging back, or have a nice lounge to just lay out on the boat. And as you move in, nice and big beam on this boat, nice big seating throughout. You'll notice that this does have the sheer shade that goes aft. You do have the sunshade canvas opening that you can open up if you want all sun or deploy both and have all shade. On this cruiser, we have the entertainment space on the aft side instead of in the cabin. This is wonderful. It gives you the grill out here where it's going to get used most often. You have a fridge for all of your drinks and all of your cold drinks, condiments, all of the cooking stuff that you'd need, and a nice trash can here in the back. Sink to wash down all of your dishes, and my favorite option on this boat. This is the coupe option, so in the winter it's going to be nice and warm due to this cabin and cockpit heating and air system. You can put the rear isinglass piece on, run through the winter, or run all summer with the AC. Depending on the season, you can change the climate of this boat to fit your needs. Up here at the helm, you'll notice that this has changed a little bit for the 2024 model. They've gone with new Simrad screens that are a nicer, faster system. You still have the dynamic running system. You will have the windshield wiper, vent fan, nice spotlight, and joystick controls for this boat. So move forward on this boat, you will have the sliding glass windshield that stays in place via this lock, so you won't have to worry about where that door stays. And on this, as you move forward, you will notice that even with me being a little taller, I still have access to grab this bow rail. So as you move forward, you feel nice and safe with tall rails and a nice place to hold on to. Plenty of seating for 3 people wide with 3 headrests, plenty of arm rest, radio controls, USB ports, some cup holders, and a nice view of the front up here. So we move back towards the midship. We'll go into the cabin for the pretty spacious cabin for a 32-foot boat. We have a lot of customers here that will overnight on this boat and love the capabilities of it. So we get down here, you do have 2 different areas that you can spend the night on. The first is up here in the bow. This is a dual purpose area like I was mentioning. You do have the table that will pop up. This will allow you to have some family games, nice quiet entertainment. Let's say if a storm rolls through, protected from all the elements, and with the generator running, you will have AC going throughout. Right here you will have the head on the boat. This gives you a nice little shower option, as well as a toilet and plenty of space to get around. Back here in the back, you will have the second of the 2 areas. We have a TV, air conditioning, nice space back here. Right now it's set up in the twin bed configurations. If you grab this piece and pull it over, you will have a nice big wide area that you can make into more of a full mattress. This boat is for sale here on Lake Lanier, and we would love to show it to you. My name is Quinn. Let us know if you have any questions.